We are right here, right now. Phoenix Valley is semiconductor central in the nation, I think in the world. MacroTechnology Works encompasses all of that in a physical space.
MacroTechnology Works is an amazing asset for the university to have. It is a professionally run clean room and fab that gives access to industry partners, faculty research, and students for research and learning.
We never could have envisioned it would lead us to where we are today, being in the middle of all things chips in this country, with that building at the core.
TSMC, Intel, Deca Technologies, all these partners that are here in the Valley benefit from us being here, and we benefit greatly by being close access to those industry partners.
The way the university is positioned, the way that we have grown, has now not only made access possible, but made it possible at scale, with companies of all shapes, all sizes, that only exist in Phoenix.
The cooperation and the capabilities at ASU provide really a world-class development and R&D capability for all types of folks, from students to industry to government to academia.
MTW bridges the gap from the laboratory to the fab, from that research and development all the way to the implementation and the manufacturing. How do you bring the industry partners into play? How do you deal with compliance and security? And how do you make sure the students are brought along? MacroTechnology Works, in a sense, presents an exemplar, a model of how to do that.
The CHIPS Act investments in MTW and these unique tools and all this equipment, those are transformational investments. But what will sustain the investment will be talent, future workforce.
The ASU students are very bright, very energetic, and it's really refreshing to see ASU's focus on STEM.
The single most important thing that we produce is our students. How can we involve them at every level in this world that is very current?
Industry is actually interested to engage with ASU because I think the industry is looking for talented people, smart people, passionate people.
It is exciting because a lot of doors have opened due to this research I've been doing and working at MacroTechnology Works.
It's the energy and the enthusiasm and the insight of these students that really makes it a pleasure to work with ASU.
We want to look back at this moment as the moment in which all of the elements came together and Phoenix started up that climb to be a genuine global city. Talent pool, large college of engineering, a very dynamic ecosystem. That's the dynamism that we're on the cusp of achieving. That's the trajectory we're on.
We've got amazing students, we've got amazing faculty, we've got amazing capabilities at MTW. How do we put that all together and solve these problems?
At Arizona State University, we are in service to the nation. So we are an important cog in the nation's system of microelectronics as we continue to push and ensure that the United States is at the forefront of semiconductors now and in the years to come.